Hi guys, I'm Sasha. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how I made a removable bucket caddy. You can use this for any size bucket. This is a paint bucket that I got at Walmart for like $3, I think. But I know you can get them at Home Depot. You could also use a smaller bucket if you don't need one this big. But as you can see, it has different size pockets around the outside. Okay, here's another one. And then on the inside, it's got several different pockets also. Okay, and the way that you remove it is just with Velcro. Okay. Okay, so it's in two halves. This is one of the halves, the outside and the inside. And this is the other half. Outside, no, yeah, outside, inside. Okay, really easy to make. I would recommend using like a vinyl or something that can be wiped down easily. Also, the reason I used vinyl is so that I wouldn't have to worry about fraying, because that just would have made things more complicated. But really all you need is enough fabric to go around your bucket and to make some pockets out of, and then a roll of Velcro. Each side has 6 little strips of Velcro which attach to the other side. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do if you do want to make a bucket caddy is you're going to measure around the side, the circumference of your bucket, and then divide that by 2. Okay, and that's going to be the width of your 2 side panels. All right, now with mine, I went ahead and hemmed them. I did a very simple hem, just so it would kind of look finished. But if you're using a vinyl, you really don't have to do that. But there's mine, okay? So what I did was I first measured the width and then the height, okay? I did these in 2 separate pieces. I found it easier. So this extra flap was not there initially. Okay, so I made this flap, all right, and another flap, and then attached the Velcro in the 6 places, making sure that both sides, the Velcro is going to measure up so that when you connect it, they're going to connect nicely and measure up nicely. So once I completed that, then I took another piece of fabric and sewed it onto that panel to flop over the bucket and provide some inside pockets. Okay, so I would do the 2 panels first, and then the Velcro, and then you can add the inside panels if you want. You don't have to. If the outside pockets are going to be enough and you want to fill the inside of the bucket with bigger things that you don't want in little pockets. Okay, so then what I did was I just cut out smaller pieces of fabric, you know, in little rectangles, whatever size I wanted them in. But you could definitely make your pockets bigger, smaller, whatever you want to do. And I cut them at a slight angle from bottom to top. And then when I pinned and sewed them on, I actually sewed the top part like that, so that there would be a little bit of give in that pocket, so it's not super pulled tight and you can't get anything in there. So that's how I did that. If you want to make a bigger pocket, you'd probably have to obviously cut a bigger piece of fabric, clip around the edges, and then push it in and pin it and sew it so that it actually sticks away from the panel for larger items, if you're going to put, you know, a drill in there, things like that. But these pockets are big enough for several pairs of scissors and things like that. I tried it out with quite a few things. Books also. All right, so this actually is going to come in very handy, I think. I wasn't sure when I tried it out, but yeah, I mean, for craft supplies, cleaning stuff, I can put my tools in here, my wood carving stuff. You could also use it for like toy storage. So you can use this for all kinds of different stuff. So that is it for my little bucket storage tutorial. If you found this inspirational, please hit like and share, and I'll see you next time.